Imagine a blockchain that processes over 25,000 transactions per second right now, while your favorite chains are choking on a fraction of that. And it's not some pie in the sky promise, it's happening today. And if you're not paying attention to the Internet Computer or ICP, you're about to watch the biggest flip of 2025 pass you by. Stick around because this could change everything for your portfolio. Hey, what's up, moneymakers? It's your boy Domenico, the guy who's been calling these crypto moonshots before they blast off. And today, we're going down the rabbit hole, deep into something that's flying way under the radar, but packing more punch than a freight train on steroids. It's a world computer or ICP. Forget the hype around meme coins or endless DeFi drama. This is the infrastructure piece that's quietly rewriting the rules of Web3. We're talking real-time speeds that smoke the competition, zero downtime reliability, and a platform that lets you build entire apps without ever touching a centralized server. If Web3 is the future, ICP is the engine making it raw. And trust me, with fresh data dropping just the last few days, the timing could be more perfect. Hit that like button if you're ready to level up your game, and let's jump into it. All right, picture this. It's May 2021. The crypto world is still reeling from NFT boom and Bitcoin's wild ride. Most blockchains are like old pickup trucks, reliable for a joyride, but try hauling a full load of users and it sputters out. Enter ICP. Launched just 4 years ago, this thing wasn't built to play small. Founded by a team of ex-Google brains who saw the Web 2 giants like AWS squeezing every developer dry with hidden fees and single points of failures. They said, screw that. Let's build a decentralized cloud that scales like the internet itself. And fast forward to today, in September 2025, Chainspect drops their latest report and boom, ICP is clocking 1,073 transactions per second in real time. That's higher than Solana's 901, folks. And over the last 100 blocks, a blistering 25,621 transactions per second. And get this, its max theoretical ceiling is over 200,000 TPS. We're not talking someday scalability. This is battle tested, handling nearly 650 million transactions total without breaking a sweat. It's doing it right now fully on chain. Block times under half a second finality. Instant 0 seconds of waiting time for that gut wrenching, is it really done moment? Of course, it's already done. It's done before I even mentioned it. Think about it like this. Remember when Ethereum's gas fees turned trading into a casino, or Solana's outages during peak hike? Remember when they had the Trump coin launch? Everything just spattered on Solana. ICP is out here running like a Swiss watch based in Zurich. Obviously, the pun of that. No reorgs, no double spends, just pure predictable power. It's just precise and functional, just like Switzerland itself. It's a story of an underdog that's already lapping the field. And the best part, billions of users are about to pile in, but you're hearing it first. If that doesn't give you the chills like it does to me, check your pulse. Comment below what's your biggest chain fail you've survived. Let's commiserate and subscribe so you never miss the comeback stories like this. Okay, let's break this down like I'm your crypto coach. No jargon overload, but enough meat for the pros. But why does ICP matter? Because in a world where Web3 needs to onboard billions, speed and smarts aren't optional. They're survival. First off, throughput. Real talk here. Most chains top out at hundreds of TPS on a good day. ICP's 1,000 plus right now. Peaking at 25K over short bursts with room to hit 200K as it evolves. Analogy of time. If Solana's a sports car hitting 200 miles on the highway, ICP is a Hyperloop pod zipping at max speeds. No traffic jams and no breakdowns. There's just no comparison. But it's not just fast, because fast is one thing. It's final the second it hits the chain. Zero finality time means no waiting around like you're at the DMV. Transactions lock in instantly, slashing risks for everything from payments to high stakes trades. Now, the game changer. Full stack smart contracts. Other platforms, they're like a kitchen with no oven. Great for prepping ingredients, tokens, swaps, but you got to ship out for the real cooking. ICP lets you bake the entire meal on chain. Front end, interfaces, back end logic, even AI models and API calls, all powered by WebAssembly. It's like having a full web server in your pocket, but decentralized and tamper-proof. And add ChainFusion to that. That's ICP's magic trick. for seamless Bitcoin and Ethereum integration. No sketchy bridges needed. Hate those bridge exploits like I do? Headlines? Yeah, me too. This uses chains natively, like plugging HDMI cables without the adapters, and privacy. T-Tech encrypts data, so even the nodes running, it can't peek. Think Fort Knox for your secrets. Overall, it's a decentralized AWS. It is the crypto decentralized cloud. Global scale, zero downtime, cryptographic armor, and for the beginners, to break it down simply, imagine ditching your clunky laptop for a supercomputer that never crashes. And for the OGs, this is the compute layer Web3 has been begging for. AI agents, which are going to be onboarding into the billions, real world assets, the partnership with Hedera, no accidents there, gaming, world, social feeds, all at internet scale without big tech overlords. It's massive. And here's the urgency. With entire pilots ramping up and AI Hub exploding, ICP is positioned to capture trillions in value. It is inevitable. It's only a matter of time. And data from yesterday's shows it's already the transaction volume king. And if you're building or investing, this isn't optional. It's now. Just look at the Chainspect data. Do your own research. Look at the data. The numbers don't lie. I always see people in the comments reading FUD, writing FUD, talking FUD. Look at the data. The data doesn't lie. And smash that subscribe button if you're geeking out like I am. And more breakdowns are coming your way. All right, enough theory. Let's talk about the moves you can make today. I'm not your financial advisor, but here's how to position yourself like a boss. Okay. Step one, dive into the ecosystem. Head to dfx.icp or the official docs. Stake some ICP cycles to run your own subnet node. It's like mining, but for compute power, and it pays in real utility. Step two, spot the gems. Like I've spoken in many of my videos, look at the projects like OpenChat for social, dApps or Kinnick for AI inference. They're leveraging ICP speed for stuff you use daily, like instant messages without servers, or pro tip, do your research on their tokenomics, but focus on ones with real adoption metrics. And these ones I've mentioned, they are primed for mass adoption. And step three, for builders, if you're coding, Caffeine AI is your new best friend. Coming for the masses mid-October, you can whip up full dApps in minutes, not months. No more wrestling with off-chain APIs. Everything is fully on-chain, secure and scalable. Enterprises pilot a private subnet for compliance-heavy apps. Think tokenized assets without the hassle. And step four, wallet up and test it. Grab an NS wallet, send a microtransaction, feel that sub-second magic. Compare it to your ETH fees next time when you're swapping. Guys, just try it out for yourself. That's when you know something is got value and undervalued by using the technology. Real world example, picture a gaming studio ditching AWS for ICP. Its costs drop 90% automatically. Players get lag-free worlds and it's all owned by the community. That's not hype. That's happening right now as we speak with projects like DSocial on the IC. Beginners, start small. Allocate 5-10%, not financial advice, depending on what you can afford, to your portfolio to ICP exposure via spot buys or staking. Advance, lay in options like yield farming on integrated DeFi. The key, you need to act before the FOMO hits mainstream, because yesterday's data proves the momentum's building. Drop a comment. What's your first ICP move? And let's build a community of winners here. Listen up. This isn't just another chain. It's a productivity powerhouse Web3 desperately needs. While others scrap for DeFi scraps, ICP is gunning for the entire cloud computing pie. And early signs say it's devouring it. Billions of transactions. It's going to power the AI productivity boom. And you're going to hear this productivity word a lot next year. Keep that in your mind. Check AI at scale. Check privacy without compromise. Double check that. And in a market craving real innovation, ICP is the spark that's about to ignite the next bull leg. But here's a FOMO kicker. With fresh throughput records smashing records, literally smashing them, outpacing Solana by double digits, and look where Solana's market cap is today, whales are circling. There's no accident that 1 million or more ICP bag holders are at all-time highs. The whales are at an all-time high in regards to hoarding the ICP. There's no accident. You think they'll wait for CBC to catch on or for crypto mass media to get onto it? Hell no. This is your edge right now. You've got to buy when mainstream is not talking about it and prices are in capitulation, thinking it's dead, it's the end of the world, it's going to fail, it's gone to zero. This is where the biggest opportunities lie. And Amazon was no exception. When it went from above 100 to $6, I said the company's dead, it's going to fail. Look where Amazon is today. This is no accident. And if this fired you up, do me a solid. Like this video to spread the word. Comment your biggest takeaway below and subscribe with notifications on. It takes a lot of my time to make these videos, so it means a lot if you could share it with everyone. Help me build this channel up. Make it worth my while. Share this with one friend who's sleeping on Web3, and let's wake them up together. Who's with me? Say it in the comments, ICP to the moon. So to wrap this rocket ride, Internet Computer isn't competing with chains. It's redefining what a blockchain can be. Speed like lightning, smarts like a supercomputer, and scale for the masses in 4 short years. It's gone from the launch pad to leader. And with yesterday's stats confirming its dominance, the question isn't if it'll explode, it's how high. You've got the intel now from the Chainspect data. The rest is on you. Go and do your own research. Go read the data for yourself. I always post the links in the description. You can click on those links and go do your homework. Go build, go invest, and go engage. I'm just here to help you. Make 2025 the year you outsmarted the herd. Remember, thanks for riding with me today, and you are the real MVPs. I'll catch you in the next one, and peace out.